This video shows the GP how to approve a GP management plan and team care arrangement or review that has been created by the nurse. Open the patient in your clinical software. An alert will let you know the GPMP is awaiting your approval. To open the patient's Inca health record, click on Approve GPMP. To view the draft GP management plan, click on Continue with the care plan. You can edit the care plan if required. For further instructions on how to edit the care plan, see video Edit Care Plan. Use the filters to view tasks allocated to yourself, other members of your care team or the patient. To approve the GPMP, click Next. If the nurse has chosen to create and distribute a team care arrangement, you can indicate the number of allied health sessions you would like to allocate to eligible members of the care team. Ensure electronically sign the allied health referral forms is ticked and select Next. Confirm review dates and select Next. The care team will be automatically notified of the TCA. Confirm agreement for at least 2 care team providers or select Next to wait for agreement. The GPMP and TCA have now been approved. All automatically generated documents can be found in the Documents tab. Here you will find a simplified care plan for the patient, the GPMP and any referrals. If the practice nurse has approved these documents on your behalf, you will still need to electronically sign these documents. These documents can be downloaded into your clinical software by selecting the Precedence connector and selecting Download Documents. Select the documents you wish to download and select Download.